Hey guys, Ollie here, and welcome back to another video on the GameStorm YouTube channel. Today is just going to be a quick little video, or time-lapse if you like, of me cleaning out my PC. Also, near the end of this video, I decided to install a 60GB SSD that I had lying around. Hope you enjoy this video, and we'll see you at the end. Alright guys, so we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and comment. Now I am sorry that I was in the camera quite a lot, but I really couldn't really change that. And also the lighting was a bit dark, but well, it's as I was moving in between the camera and getting in the shot so that I could really look at my PC. But as always guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and go down into the description for the links. Go ahead and go to our Facebook page, give that a like. Jump across to the support group. Go ahead and you can go ahead and join that, and you can ask any questions or queries you may have there. We will answer ASAP. Thank you for watching this video again, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.